Okay, today is the start of another week, start of another day. Week 3, day number 1. I'm here with my wife at the beautiful Buffalo Bayou Park here in Houston, Texas. And today what I had on my heart that I wanted to share was the topic of patience. The topic of patience, and how a lot of times we have expectations, we have frustrations. Maybe you weren't able to be as consistent as you want with your workouts and with all the activities that we do each week, and that can frustrate you. And a lot of times we get frustrated because we have a lack of patience or too high expectations. And so we have 6 more weeks. If you feel like you're not doing the exercise and feel like you're not where you want to be, we have 6 more weeks for you to develop this skill of patience. So for today's journal topic, I want you to really write and think about, what's the purpose of patience? There's a reason for it. And if you really take a couple of minutes today and just sit down and think about it, you'll be surprised to see that patience maybe isn't such a cuss word. Maybe there's an actual reason and a purpose for it. And then the second question is, how can the purpose of patience help you these next 6 weeks? And so I'm going to go ahead and write about that. You guys do it. I'm looking forward to this week 3. I'm excited. Let's get going.